how to do the belt sound effect. So first, what you want to do is you don't want to really hold this thing, because if you do, it will be uncomfy and stuff. So yeah, I consider you don't do it. But you have to hold on to this little piece right here. Might seem like nothing, but it kind of is not nothing. Okay, so why you want to do it is if you don't, you'll get this. Yeah. You'll get that. So to avoid that, you'll hold on. So yeah, and then you make sure you don't want to do it like straight or like that. So you want to just do it kind of like this, and then just pull hard, like that.